Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. This morning I put up a video all about the testing options to sail on a cruise line right now. The testing options that I talked about work with all of the cruise lines except for the ones that of course I mentioned at the port specific to Princess. But there is a reason that I did not include Quest Diagnostics in my video, and I'm going to tell you why. And so first of all, I would like to welcome all of our Let's Go family members here. It's really nice to see you again. And also welcome to all of you who are new. We are building an amazing community here of people who love to cruise and love to travel, and we're trying to share everything that we learn as we go to help each other. And so we hope you'll decide to stay with us. So as I mentioned in my video with all of the testing options, I did not include Quest Diagnostics. On the Princess website, they have a link there to sign up for a test through Quest Diagnostics as one of the options to have a COVID test. So if you're really new to cruising, right now when you cruise, at embarkation, you have to show proof of a negative COVID test done within 2 days. And on the Quest website, they have the option that you can get a PCR test. That is the only test that is available where I live, and I live in a very populated area. And so a PCR test, they say that they will get the results back to you within 2 days. And unfortunately, in my course of taking, on our last cruise, which was to the Mexican Riviera in October, we met, I would say, at least four for sure, and I feel like there's maybe a couple more people who had tried that option and did not get their test result back, and they had to get their test done another way. And so that is one reason I don't recommend it. And I have also received messages and emails from some of our Let's Go family members that tried that option and ended up not getting the results back in time. And so it's really important to me that the things I recommend to you are really viable options. And so if where you live, that's really the only option you've got, you can go ahead and give it a whirl. And if any of you have tried that and it's worked really well for you, I would love to hear from you in the comments below also. But when you think about, if you decide that you're going to do it with Quest Diagnostics, make sure that you have a plan B. And right now we are kind of in a different place with our testing in that Princess Cruise Lines is offering testing. If you go to embarkation and you don't have your test results, you can let them know and they will do a test for you. The charge for that is $150, and Quest Diagnostics say that their test started at $119. And so to me, it's just kind of an extra expense. If you really cannot get tested where you are, just when you embark with Princess, ask them to do the COVID test for you. The only drawback for that is you don't have the luxury of knowing before you leave home if you're positive or not. And so that's the only reason that I would say to try to get another option first. But anyway, if you really want to do that, that is great. To do that, I've got the link in the description box below for the, and it's the link that's on the Princess website to go to the Quest Diagnostics website to go through their process to sign up for an appointment. And so basically all you do is you just log in, you answer some questions. They'll ask you if you've been exposed, if you're having symptoms, and if you check none of the above, it'll still let you continue to schedule a test. And then you just have to answer some, you put like in your zip code to see if there is a testing site within 50 miles of you. And then it'll have you, it lets you know that you can get a PCR test and that the results are done within 2 days, and then you hit continue again, and then it'll just come up and ask you a bunch of health questions and everything, and then from there it will let you schedule your test, and then you just go to the location and get tested. And so that is how Quest Diagnostics work, and I just the only hesitancy and the reason I didn't put it in that other video is that I have known people that have had a hard time getting the results back and not gotten them in time. And so if you want to give it a try though, like I said, go ahead. And if you have had any really good experiences or not gotten your test results back, anyone that would like to share their comments in the comments below, that would be really wonderful. And so I'll be talking to you all again really soon. Oh, and you know what? If you haven't subscribed yet, would you please consider subscribing? A large number of our people who watch our videos are not subscribed, and we would just love to have you in our Let's Go family. And so if you would hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. Also, if you have found this video helpful, will you also give it a thumbs up, because that will really help our channel as well. I really appreciate you all, and I'll be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.